Hello world, in this video I will show you how you can run Jupyter Notebook on Android using Termux. I have provided the commands in the GitHub, follow the URL in the description. First install Termux, F-Droid is the recommended way, you can also install from Play Store. To start, just clear the screen. Then install Python and required packages using the first command. It may take some time to install these. Try using Python. After this, install Jupyter Notebook. This will also take some time to complete. Now if you need any other additional package, use the next command. Now let's start Jupyter Notebook using the command. Copy the link and open it on any browser. Now it's complete, you can use Jupyter Notebook on your device. To exit Jupyter Notebook, press Ctrl above your keyboard and C. Then press Y to confirm. If you want to exit out of your Termux, use exit command.